calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Caswell and Rockingham, and Pennsylvania, Virginia, and the Virginia Independent